Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to install iOS 16.5.1c, which is a security response update to your iPhone X. Now, in the short, I showed that it could be downloaded. Now I'm actually going to install it. So to prove that it's the iPhone X, that's what that is. This isn't an old i14 case that wore out on me, but I put it in there to protect the phone. Okay, so there we go. So now what's going to happen is I'm going to download it. Now, if you could see on the camera here, or I'm looking through the camera and it's kind of blurry, but if you could see it, on this hardware, it's 4 megabits instead of the 2.7. There is a reason for this. This update is optimized for iPhone 14 and up. Don't quote me on that, but that's why. So I'm going from the iPhone X to the iPhone 14. I don't know about iPhone 11. Unfortunately, I don't have mine anymore. So I'm going to click download and install. Alright, so it's a security response. Now it's going to prepare the security response. Now, as you know, this is just a quick patched update. So it's not going to take very long for the phone to actually update. Now, the reason I am showing this is I know a lot of people that still use the iPhone X. I did for a while, obviously. That's why I still have mine. I had the 11, and now I have the 14. And no, I will not be getting the 15 because my phone is fine. Unless something happens to it, then I won't get the iPhone 15 until then. So the reason it's taking longer to prepare, like I said, the update for this phone is 4 megabits instead of the 2.7. Now, if this was a newer phone, it'd probably be less, but you have to understand the hardware is a little bit different. So with each update is going to be a little different on each model phone. So if you have an iPhone 14 and your friend has an iPhone 14, they're going to have the same result. Alright, so what you just saw was saying it was preparing and installing. So basically what happened was is it wanted to request to install. I already told it to install, so that's why it did what it just did. Alright, so here we go. So if we go to About Phone, 16.5.1c, if we go to Automatic Updates, 16.5.1c. So there you have it. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.